Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a spelling bee, and it sounds weird, but it's just G-Tag maps and stuff and all that. He doesn't have a mic, so he'll be just chatting me on Oculus. Okay, first we have orange. Okay, so first word is forest.
F-O-R-E-S-T.
Yep, correct. Okay, now we have yellow. MDM banana. Okay. Now, we have beach. You're gonna track it. Yep, correct. Okay. So now we have blue on the charger.
I'm not really blue. Oh, I can't get around the wall. Oh, is that? Oh, I can't.
Okay, you could say there. Okay, your word is caves.
E-A-V-E-S.
Yep. Okay. Now we have orange again. Okay. So your word is city.
C-I-T-Y.
Yep, okay. Yellow again. Okay. Your word is, since you're a little better at this, mountains. Oh, dang it, my controller disconnected. Yep, correct. Okay, now we have blue again.
Oh, okay.
You could just stay up here.
I made it so that I can kind of look this way.
Okay, yeah, just stay right there. Stay right there. Okay. Okay, your word is cosmetic.
That's a hard word. Why are you giving him all the hard words?
Yeah, I don't know how to spell jack squat. Why are you? C-O-S-M-C-T-S.
You almost got it.
No, so close, but you're eliminated. Okay, orange.
Screw you.
Me again.
Okay, we have gorilla.
G-O-R-I-L-L-A.
Yep. Okay, yellow.
Why did you give him cosmetics? He's better at this. He's on his phone texting. He can just look it up before he says it.
He can also just get autocorrect to do it for him.
No, he's not cheating that way, right? You're not cheating? Okay. Okay, so now we have mini games.
Gorilla just hey.
What the Sigma? What are you doing?
No, I'm gonna do this. Oh.
Yep, correct. Okay. So now we have orange again.
Orange.
Okay, so your word is bundle.
B-U-N-D-L-E.
Yep. Okay. Now we have eggnog again. Okay, so
That word was a bit harder. Cause
banana.
I just get to sit back and relax in my chair.
Banana. It's in your name. It's your name. Banana.
Look in the mirror. I can see your hand poking through the wall.
Okay.
No, you can't.
Oh, well, if I could look in that direction, I would.
Yep, correct.
Then my word no.
Okay, orange, party hat.
P-A-R-T-Y. H-A-T.
Yep. Okay, now you again. Top hat.
You're giving all the easy auto-corrected words.
Okay. Russian hat.
That's what I'm wearing.
R-U-S-I-A-N-H-A-T.
Yep. Okay. You again.
That is what I'm wearing, Gabriel.
Um,
I'm wearing Russian hats, so I'm British.
9.
Basement.
That's German.
Oh, basement.
I know,
Basement.
because I don't know what speak is in German. Du bist der
Du bist eine Frau.
Yep. Okay.
I am not your
Now
friend,
we have.
and I'm not a minor. I'm not a girl.
Not what that
That's
means.
what it-
Okay. Cosmetic. The same as
Du
Russian
bist
hat.
meine Frau means you are my friend
Cosmetic?
to a girl.
Yep.
Du bist mein
C-O-S-M-I-T.
to a boy.
Nope. Already incorrect. Okay. We have a
No.
winner.
No, that is not incorrect.
Wait, you said C-O-M.
Mina.
You said C-O-M.
I said C-O-S.
No, you said C-O-S.
M-I-T.
Yeah, M-I-T. Cosmetic is C-O-S-M-E-T-I-C. Yeah. Okay,
Let me
we have a
Is when
winner.
you're talking to a girl. Mine is when you're talking to a boy.
Du
Get right.
bist meine Frau.
Okay, so
That
yellow,
means
you
are my
won
friend.
MDM
But
Banana.
that would be saying it to
You
a
get to
girl.
choose my
Du
next
bist
YouTube
meine
short.
Frau would be saying it to a boy.
Okay, so there could be a little random things, or it could just be normal. But be watching for my next YouTube short. Okay, yeah. MDM Banana
Oh,
won.
damn.
Bye.